As a Medicaid planning lawyer, I'm often people's first point of entry into the long-term care system. People come to me with their worries and problems related to long-term care and incapacity planning. The thing is, most people don't realize that Medicaid is not just for the poor or impoverished. In fact, generally, my clients who need Medicaid planning are middle class or upper middle class people who have saved their entire lives for retirement only to be shocked and dismayed at the incredibly high cost of long-term care. I help these people not only be better able to afford these services, but I can direct them to different community resources to make their lives better. In short, as a Medicaid planning attorney, I put together a combination of strategies to help my clients pay the exorbitant costs associated with long-term care and allow them to protect their assets so they have something to pass on to their heirs. Medicaid planning attorneys provide individuals with a great sense of control and bring much-needed peace of mind to the family at a time of great need. Medicaid planning allows me to create purchasing power on behalf of my clients and give them access to resources that help them afford and buy the best care, ensuring a higher quality of life, bringing dignity and preservation of independence in the face of incapacity, and preserve their family savings and assets that can be passed down to the next generation. Medicaid is a means-tested program, which means applicants must meet the following standards in order to qualify. Number 1, they must be a resident of Florida. Number 2, they must be a U.S. citizen or legal resident alien. 3, they must pass the income test, which means they have to earn less than $2,250 per month as of January 2018. This number changes from time to time. If the Medicaid applicant is married and their spouse is not applying for Medicaid, there are a different set of standards. Number 4 is the asset test. The Medicaid applicant must have less than $2,000 in what Medicaid considers a countable asset. Again, if there's a non-Medicaid spouse, there are anti-spousal impoverishment standards that your elder law attorney will discuss during your consultation. And finally, a long-term care Medicaid applicant must pass the needs test. Medicaid is looking at the activities of daily living. They must need assistance with several of the following activities of daily living: walking, transfer from a bed to a chair or to a standing position, dressing themselves, bathing, feeding, or toileting. Remember, an experienced Florida Medicaid planning lawyer works with people who do not already qualify for Medicaid because they have too much by way of income or assets, and the attorney can provide legal and ethical strategies to get these folks eligible for Medicaid in accordance with Medicaid rules. Schedule a consultation with a Florida Medicaid lawyer today. Please visit elderneedslaw.com to learn more.